Meet Curiominds, your child's AI-powered learning companion. Personalized, adaptive, always by their side. With Curiominds, students build their own learning journey. Set goals, learn confidently with guidance, and grow their second brain, an evolving AI partner that adapts to their pace and style. As a parent, stay in the loop. Track milestones, celebrate progress, and support their growth without micromanaging every lesson. For teachers, Curiominds unlocks insights into each student's journey. No more one-size-fits-all, just the right challenge at the right time. Powered by proprietary memory AI, Curiominds helps every student remember, revise, and recall as they grow and thrive, a safe space for continuous learning.